Hello students, today I'm going to add something more to your knowledge. Some of these you might know or you might have read about it. So let's start. Students, you know that there are 8 planets in our solar system and the hottest planet is Venus. The hottest planet is Venus and the densest planet is our Earth. The first satellite launched in space. It is Sputnik 1. I repeat, the first satellite launched in space is Sputnik 1. The first pair to climb to the top of Mount Everest is Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. I repeat, the first pair to climb to the top of Mount Everest is Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. The largest ocean is Pacific. The largest volcano in the solar system. So, the largest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons. Now, where is it found? It is found in Mars. The longest river is Nile. And the biggest island is Greenland. The largest hot desert is Sahara Desert. The tallest grass is bamboo. The biggest seed is cocodamar. Cocodamar is also called sea coconut. What it is called? Sea coconut, and is found in the islands in the Indian Ocean. It holds great healing power and has significant medicinal value. The longest seaweed is giant kelp. I repeat, the longest seaweed is giant kelp. Giant kelp is an algae. It is found at the places along the coast of the eastern and southern Pacific Ocean. It is a binding agent used in the production of many foods and cosmetics like ice cream, toothpaste, etc. The largest living animal is blue whale. The biggest living fish is whale shark. The bird with the longest wingspan is wandering albatross. So the answer is wandering albatross. The most spoken language is Mandarin Chinese. So it is Mandarin Chinese. The largest country is Russia. The longest mountain chain is Andes. And the tallest bird, I hope you might know this, the tallest bird is ostrich. Ostrich is the world's largest and heaviest bird. It is the fastest bird on land and lays the largest egg of any animal. Ostriches have biggest eyes of all land animal. That's all. For better understanding, read page number 7 of your book, that is Out of This World.